Hey everyone, this is going to be the last fan video for tonight. I've done a lot of fans tonight. I've had Brandon E. Johnson from Ontario, Canada, I believe. Yeah, I believe Ontario, but yeah, he's definitely from Canada, that he came to visit after the Fanimation group trip. Speaking of that, this Hunter original that I got here, this Hunter RM, which is Robbins and Myers. Check it out. White and antique brass. I got this also from Mark Welker, who was on the Fanimation group trip. So these are all my acquisitions that I got for this trip. So to end it, here is actually a 2-speed, but this will be what's known as medium, but it's really low. This is a 2-speed. Has some rattling. I gotta look into that. So yeah, there's something loose, but I haven't actually investigated in any of these fans. I'm just testing them. So, and get this. This is a little weird, but this was I just turned it to low, which is now this is off, now high. So it's like low, off, then high. I wasn't sure if that's supposed to do that. Maybe that is supposed to cycle that way. Definitely, this is a strong, very strong breeze fan. So, yeah, it could use a little bit of attention, but till next time. But before I do that, I got to do spin down. There's no reverse on this, so this will be it after spin down. Okay. It's just about done. Okay. Well, that concludes tonight's session of fans that I acquired on the Fanimation trip. So I hope to acquire some more, and I'll be doing some more sales and trades in the future. So till next time, thanks for watching.